All right, what's up, everyone? This is your boy Brian coming to you with unboxing video number 325. Today we got something called Fuego Box. I got a link sent to me from my wife, and she said you should buy this. And then I clicked on it. It accepted PayPal or whatever, so I went ahead and bought it, and kind of forgot what it was. I think it's like a spicy thing. So I'm gonna check it out. Came in cardboard, went directly into the mailbox. They didn't leave it out front, so I don't know if it's like dangerous or something. So we'll check this one out. It comes in a nice, clean cardboard box here with tape. Box is made by Uline. It's 7x5x3. It's pretty tight little package here, and I'll just go ahead and open this up. Gonna just use scissors. Try not to cut anything inside. Try to be pretty careful with this. I've cut up some stuff before, so we'll go ahead and open it. I don't know if I'm opening it the right way. There's no indication. All right, so we got here a box, white box, some foil decal there, and a little card. Card says #Choco Challenge. All right, so this is something going on with hot, spicy stuff here. It says it's got some instructions. Step 1, eat it. Step 2, film it. Taking care of that right now. Step 3, share it. So I'll go ahead and put a link to that here later on if I can figure out how to do that. And it says for every Choco Challenge bar purchased, 50 meals will be donated to local food banks to end hunger. So that's pretty cool. Stop hunger with this thing. It's got nutritional facts, 60 calories, so we'll check out how that is. A marriage between good and evil. Pretty cool foil embossing on all sides here. So it's pretty high quality thing. It's got a little poofiness to it. It's not that heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and just take off the tape here with the scissors. Try not to mess with the thing in case I want to keep the box. Open this up. So it's got a little red, I think this is actually the chocolate here. It's got a little sticker with the logo. And it says right here, you must be insane. Last chance to turn back to consume this pain. It rhymes. I am insane, so I'm going to go ahead and eat this. So I think that's all you do here is just eat it. There's nothing else on the box. I'll go ahead and open it up just in case. Nothing. So that's just filler there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. You can see it's red foil, pretty high-end foil here. The wrapper, food grade. And you've got the bar. So there's no markings on the bar whatsoever. It's perfectly square. There's a little bit of depth to it. Can't really smell anything. Doesn't say whether I should eat it all at the same time. I'm guessing that's the idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Definitely hot right off the bat. Super spicy. I'm not sure exactly why I did this. Oh my God. That is very spicy. Oh my God. So yeah, that's extremely spicy. Tearing up. It's not as hot as the one chip challenge from Paqui, which I accomplished. I got a link to that video over here. Definitely an experience. A little bit of chocolate, kind of white chocolate flavor. Doesn't feel good at all. Feels bad. It hurts. Definitely a lot of pain in the back of my throat. Oh God. Try not to touch my face, not just because of everything going on, but also not recommended with spicy food to touch the face. So double reason not to touch the face. Feels like totally bad. No good feelings. Regret. But I think I'm over the curve. Oh God, it's really spicy. Not as bad as the one chip challenge from Packy. So I feel it's waning a little bit. I thought I was gonna run in to get some milk, but I thought that maybe I'd screw up the video a little bit. Trying to not use the milk. Oh God. So yeah. All right. I think I'm over the curve, over the hump. So I'm coming down a little bit. Super spicy. Wouldn't recommend doing this. Terrible. But a little bit of chocolate flavor. So maybe if you're into that kind of thing, I don't know. So anyway, yeah, that's the review box. And I'll see y'all next time.